So you guys, look at our jumbo snail. So this one is for one particular customer. You can see that. So you ask for jumbo, give you jumbo. If you ask for a normal snail, we give it to you. Okay, so this one is jumbo. We have 10 pieces. That is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our jumbo snail. Send your order on 31st is still far. You still have time to send your order for your delicious frozen food stuff. Going UK, Canada and US. Okay. This one is half pint of periwinkle. Okay. You still have time to send us your order. Okay, that is half pint. So here we have 1 food pint. So this one is food pint of periwinkle. All you do is to send us your order. We got you covered.
Bye-bye.
It's not going to enter big bag and the small bag. Okay. So we got to cover. So good. Just keep this in your freezer anytime you are cooking. You grab it and enjoy. Then look at that. Send me your order. I send you delicious. Okay. So this one is going freezer. Send your order. We got you covered. I love you all.